Hi grades 4, so this is your lesson 8 in spelling, and I am going to say your sentences and you get to write them down in your spelling spiral book. So you should have your date at the top, and I'm going to give you 6 sentences. And remember, for this week we are working with words that begin with WH. So all of your words that where you hear the WH sound, they are going to be WH words, okay? So let's go ahead and remember your 6 question words as well. So also remember to put either a period or a question mark at the end of your sentences. Most likely if your sentence begins with a question, as in words like who, what, whose, they will end with a question mark. Okay, the rest of them will end with a period or sometimes an exclamation mark. So let's go ahead and I will give you 6 sentences. If you're having trouble with any sentence or you're unsure of it, I would like you to circle the word. Okay, so let's begin with our first sentence. Who is napping on the bed? Who is napping on the bed? Who is napping on the bed? Next one. What song do you like the most? What song do you like the most? What song do you like the most? Your third sentence is, where can I put this little pig? Where can I put this little pig? Where can I put this little pig? Next one is, when will you return home? When will you return home? When will you return home? Last one. A crow is on the white fence. A crow is on the white fence. A crow is on the white fence. Okay, so those were your sentences. Grades 4, you should have 4 sentences. So the first 5 sentences all ended with a question mark because we began with our question words, right? Who, what, where, and when. So all these questions, they had a question mark at the end. So you should have had 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4. Sorry, there's one more sentence. I forgot to give you one more sentence. Your last one. Which puppy do you want? Which puppy do you want? Okay, so that's your 6th sentence. Which puppy do you want? So now there are 5 sentences with a question mark. There's only one sentence that has a period. So you're going to decide which one. If you begin your sentence with a question word, it's going to end with a question mark, right? Who, what, where, when, and which. So all these 5 question words, they should have a question mark at the end of their sentences, right? And there's only one sentence with a period. So you get to decide which one is that. And on that note, I will see you tomorrow for your spelling test, which will be lesson 9 in your spelling. I will say the words, those 10 words, and you get to write them down, and you don't get to look at the back. It's just like test having in the classroom, okay? And I will see you tomorrow.